Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are required to solve for the value of x given that x to power 12 plus x to power 8 is equal to 80, provided that x is a member of the set of real numbers. I am going to use two methods to solve this problem. The first one is going to be a bit lengthy, and the second one is going to be very short. Therefore, I want you to stick around to the end of this video. And also, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and share this video. Then I would like to read your comments in the comment section. Having said all this, let us proceed with the solution to the problem. I am going to rewrite this expression as x to power 4 raised to power 3 plus x to power 4 to power 2 is equal to 80. Now, I will make one crucial substitution. Let x to power 4 is equal to y. And if that is the case, y to power 3 plus y to power 2 minus 80 is equal to 0. I now have a cubic equation, yes. Now, I'm going to rewrite this 80 as minus 64 minus 16, then y to power 3 plus y to power 2. Then I will take this 64 closer to this side and this 16 to this side. Minus 64 becomes minus 4 to power 3, and 16 is minus 4 to power 2. We have y squared plus y cubed here. Now this comes here. It becomes y to power 3 minus 4 to power 3 plus y to power 2 minus 4 to power 2 equals to 0. I can rewrite this expression as y minus 4 brackets y squared plus 4y then plus 4 squared. If I open this bracket, I'm going to get this, and this is difference of 2 squared. Y minus 4 y plus 4 is equal to 0. If I factorize y out, I will have y minus 4, leaving me with y squared plus 4y plus, this is 16, then y plus 4 equals to 0. Now, to explain how I come about this expression, this is difference of 2 cubed. If I have a to power 3 minus b to power 3, I can expand it into a minus b brackets a squared plus ab plus b squared. So if I open this bracket, I will have this. So this is what I applied in this case. Now let me simplify here. Here becomes y minus 4 bracket y squared. Then I have plus 5y, because this and this will give me 5, and this is 20 equals to 0. Now let me equate each bracket to 0. In the first bracket, y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y squared plus 5y plus 20 is equal to 0. In this case, let us remember that x to power 4 is y. So I will put x to power 4 in place of it. Then write here as 2 to power 2 equals to 0. Now, this can be rewritten as 2 to power 2 minus 2 to power 2. Sorry, this is x to power 2 rather, equals to 0. I have difference of 2 squared here. So x squared minus 2, x squared plus 2 will give me 0. If I equate each bracket to 0, x squared minus 2 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2, or x squared is equal to 2, or x squared is equal to minus 2. In the first case, x equals to plus or minus root 2. In the second case, I have x is equal to plus or minus the square root of minus 2. Now, let us remember that the question says that x is a member of the set of real numbers. If that is the case, this is no solution to the equation. Then I have x equals to plus or minus root 2 as the only solution. Again, considering that we are given the condition that x is a member of the set of real numbers, This is also not a solution to the equation, because if I find the value or the solutions to the equation involving y, I will have minus 5 plus or minus, here becomes square root of minus 55 all over 2. Now, this is an imaginary number, as this part is also an imaginary number. So this and this are not solutions to this equation. Therefore, the only solution to this equation is this. That is the first method. Now let us look at the second method, which is going to be very, very short. I can rewrite 80 as 64 plus 16. I got this idea from this, because we can rewrite 80 as 64 and 16. So it is equal to 80. I can also rewrite 64 as a number with base 2. If that is the case, I have 2 to power 6 is 64 plus 16 is 2 to power 4. Let us remember that it is equal to 80. And if this is the case, I can find the square root of these terms in the left-hand side of the equation. It becomes 2 to power half. And if I put power half here, I have to multiply this 6 by 2 to balance the equation. The same thing will happen here. 2 to power half. I have to multiply this 4 by 2 equals to 80. So 2 to power half raised to power 12, which gives us this, plus 2 to power half raised to power 8, which is also this. You see, this is the first one, the second one, giving us 2 to power half to power 12 and 2 to power half to power 8 is equal to 80. You see our equation is balanced. So this means that this is root 2 to power 12 and this is root 2 to power 8. It is equal to 80. Now, since this is even, that means that plus or minus root 2 is the value of x.